Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Gold Miner. We are here with weekly gold analysis and on the request of a couple of friends across the globe, they requested to publish this video in English as well. Usually I publish in Urdu, my native language, but for your convenience, I will try to publish weekly analysis in English as well, so everyone across the globe can understand. So let's move on to analysis. So right now in front of you, you can see weekly chart. So you can see that gold is in a long-term uptrend, which is marked by this green line, and on a medium and short-term basis, gold is still in a bearish trend marked by this red line. Now, if you see last week performance, or I would say last couple of weeks performance, you can see that this gold has tested very significant resistance, which is lying at 1835. It has tested a couple of times, you can see here, and after like sharp selling after NFP data last month, we saw a very sharp sell-off here, and then soon after that we saw a recovery, and since then gold is making upside moves, but again it remained unsuccessful to break this 1835 wall. So but the good thing is last week closing has happened higher than previous, I would say, 9 to 10 weeks, which is positive for gold. But still we can't say that gold will move upside, because this 1835 is still a hurdle. So gold has to close above that. Once it is closed, we can see further upside. Let's move to daily chart. On a daily chart, you can see that after this sharp sell-off, what we observed after NFP data last month, gold has recovered sharply, and since then gold is in uptrend move. You can see it is drawn by this green line, and 1900 and sorry 1810 is providing a support, and we can see that in upcoming days moving average 50 days and 200 days will provide support, which is lying at 1809 level and 1795. Now you can see here, the important thing is you can see that 1835 is still a massive support, resistance, and I think a couple of weeks back I mentioned this thing that gold has formed a double top kind of stuff at 1835, and due to which we saw a sharp sell-off due to NFP. It has retested the demand zone near 1680 level, and then it moved upside. Now the important thing on a daily basis, for I would say for a medium term traders, they should wait for closing, daily closing above 1835 to see further move upside. Once we close above 1835 on a daily basis, we can see 1860, and once this broken convincingly, we can move towards 1900. Now the important thing is we need to see 1835, because gold can retrace in upcoming weeks to this level, and I would say 1810. Another important thing, you can see that after each like intense move, gold is consolidating. So you can see here, after this move gold consolidates here, then after this move gold consolidated here, then after this move gold consolidated here. So likewise we can say that after this intense move, we can see in next, I would say that next week at least, we can see a retracement and consolidation in between 1810 and 1835 level, right? So which will be a like a very short term I would say range bound trading opportunity for those who trade for short term. So in order to see that what kind of opportunities and what kind of trade setup we can find next week, especially for short term traders and intraday traders, we need to go in detail and see levels on 4 hours chart. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. So in front of you, you can see 4 hours time frame, and you can see that gold is in uptrend on four hours. This is a strong support line, and you can see that it has taken support a couple of times. Although it was broken here, but gold consolidated here. It was broken here, but then again consolidated and moved up. So it's a perfect bullish kind of trend. And likewise we can see here in the supply zone of 1827 and 33, which is still intact for I think last 2 months, and we have been testing it again. We saw some weakness in last 4 to 5 hours, last 4 to 5 trading hours on Friday, and we can see some weaknesses here, and we can expect that this support line will be again be tested, and if remains successful and if it holds, we can see that 1835 will be again tested, and hopefully it will be broken because it has already weakened, and it has tested I think 5 times. So for next weeks, just keep eye on these levels, and support areas I have marked here for the guidance of you guys. So keep referring that, and those guys who wants to get the daily updates and in a much lower time frame. For example, I use 1 hour time frame to initiate the trades. So if you want to get hourly updates or in a lower time frame, you can contact me through my WhatsApp. You can join my Telegram channel. So you can use that, and the links of all these things are given in the description of this video. So upcoming economic events, these are some upcoming events scheduled next week, so you can refer that. The important thing is US is off on Monday, so it's a holiday in US for Labor Day, so we might not expect like same kind of volatility on Monday, but yeah, Asia and Europe is on, and we may see some volatility in next week due to these data. So this was a short weekly analysis. In order to get daily updates, you can contact me through WhatsApp and join our Telegram channel. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And see you next week. Take care. Bye.